should have just bought repair panels because these are welded on. Like, every bit is welded on. So it's a lot harder. It's a lot harder welding on panels than it is just practice things.
Look, we've got a little Ermintrude soft toy. Ha! It's gonna go in the van. Cool.
More updates. So we I can't remember what I showed you last, but we filled, sanded, and I've come up with a cool idea what to do on these bits. Hence why it don't look pristine at the moment. Same on that side. Yeah, I've got an idea what I'm going to do there to make it a bit more individual. I've been doing this as well while I've been messing about in between doing van. That took ages. Took bloody ages, that, but at least that's done now as well. So that's a good thing. Oh, it's a bit warm for doing this malarkey, I'll tell you. So you're not very much in shot, am I? Bloody hell. Hello, can you see me? What was I saying? What were I saying? Many things. Yeah, wings done. So I'm going to finish them off. They'll get finished today, fingers crossed. And then I've got an idea what to do alongside it van. And then I've just got them back wheel arches to do at some point. But maybe not this week, because I'm cracking. We were planning on going out places this week, and I've used all the week up cutting rust out of this. So yeah, tally ho to the next section. Yeah, maybe it is a bit crazy, but I'm doing these bits in this fetching yellow colour again. It's not perfect, but this bit needs doing anyway, so yeah, there's lots of rust in this area, so I'm not too precious about it. But this is phase one of the plan. I kind of like that yellow, and it's it does sort of match the yellow that I've done the badges in. But there's a phase two coming next. I just need to wait for that to dry so I can take that masking tape off and find some magnets. That's what it is, it's dinner break. Homemade thingamajigs and tzatziki. I've been doing random stuff. So the bumper's back on, but as you can see, I've done it looks like I painted that corner bit instead of that corner bit by accident, which is exactly what happened, but I kind of like the fact that it doesn't match. Plus I can always do that one later, or I might sticker bomb that one. And then I'm just doing this part of the grill, this trim part of the grill, in the same sort of pattern, but with black base coat and then Rover gunmetal grey over top. Looks alright, doesn't it? and obviously some glittery thing in there, so yeah, I need to just put that back on, and then front's done. I tried to put a little smashing piston symbol on radiator, but I don't know whether the camera picks it up. You can kind of see it yourself at from certain angles. Oh yeah, you can on camera from there, can't you? How random! Right, so yeah, the next shot you should see should be it all back together again. A great philosopher once wrote, "What the fudge are you on about?" Oh, I've not put number plate on yet. Well, that's the only bit I've not put on yet. She's back together after all that. And yes, it's in my own weird, quirky, odd style. Look at that though, look how cool that bit looks. Oof. So now I can actually go places now, before I do them wheel arches, which I'm not looking forward to. But I can piss about with them like that, so it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So thank you for watching what's either one long video or lots of little videos. I can't work out what I'm doing. And yes, see you on the next one. If you've not been completely bored by this already, yeah. Hope not.